Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing great. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing this Plush Beauty Constant Liner, and they say this is a long-lasting, smudge-free, easy to apply and quick drying eyeliner. So this retails for 550 rupees and you are getting 2.5 ml of product. So this is how the packaging looks like. I mean, look at that, how beautiful and luxe it looks. And I love the formulation of this eyeliner. It's so bold, it's jet black, very long lasting, and when you apply it, it just glides on so smoothly. It's just one stroke pigmentation and it doesn't look cracky or crusty, or even it doesn't bleed. This is infused with the goodness of argan oil, so it's very nourishing, and when I apply it, it doesn't irritate my eyes, it doesn't crack, doesn't fade. And also this is suitable for all ages, all skin color, or all skin type. Coming to the applicator, it's so thin and so precise. I love it. It comes with a brush tip applicator, and when you apply it, you can totally create thin or thick strokes with it. It's so pigmented, you don't have to tug or pull, and it dries up so fast, but it gives you intense matte finish and it looks so beautiful on the eyes. It's so easy to use. Now you guys can see it has dried up in my hands, and let me just smudge it and you guys can see how much pressure I'm creating, but still it doesn't smudge or doesn't budge. So it's absolutely smudge proof, budge proof and transfer proof. This is the blackest black eyeliner that's available in the market, and also I really like that it's 100% matte. Okay, I don't really like a lot of shiny eyeliners, but this one is something which is amazing. This is smudge proof, budge proof, transfer proof. Also this is water resistant, so no matter how much you smudge, this is not gonna go off, and in one swipe this is gonna give you intense black matte finish. So the problem I face with my eyeliners, first of all, they flake off, and if not, they fade away, which I don't really like. They stay on you around 4-5 hours and after that they start fading. And if you have oily eyelid or if you have hooded eyes, then oh my god, it's so difficult to choose a perfect eyeliner for you. Also, this stayed on me for 7 to 8 hours. Can you guys imagine? I have hooded eyes and also I have oily eyelid, so my eyeliner just transfers on the eyelid right here and it's so irritating. I absolutely hate it, but with this one it doesn't happen. And I have tried it for 7 to 8 hours. I haven't tried it more than that because I don't really wear makeup more than 10 hours, but this is super long wearing and it can easily stay on you for 8 to 9 hours. Now let me just quickly show you how I draw my wing eyeliners on everyday basis. I'm gonna draw my eyeliner in two different ways. The first one is for beginner because I'm gonna show you step by step how you can create your perfect wing. So what I do as a first step, I draw a thin line which is very close to my upper lash line. So always start with a very thin line because if you are a beginner, there are chances that your eyeliner is going to get thicker to even it out. Now I'm gonna draw my wing, and as you can see, I have created a very small V and I just filled it in. If you want, you can just extend your wing a little more to get that snatched eye look. If you want, you can extend your inner corner a little bit, or you can leave it like that. So yep, that's it. Now let's move on to how I do my eyeliners on day-to-day basis. So I start with a very thin line on my outer corner, then I create a V like this and then I fill it in. Then I even it out a little bit here and there so that it looks nice, pretty and snatched. I also extend my inner corners a little bit as well so that my eyes looks a little bit foxy. What I really like about this particular eyeliner is it's so precise. I absolutely love the applicator. It's so thin. Secondly, it's very long wearing. It's jet black and it's extremely matte. And what caught my attention was this luxe packaging. I mean, look at that, how beautiful it looks. So you can totally gift it to anyone you love, especially your girlfriends or your mother. This looks so beautiful on your vanity. So yeah, if you are looking for a good eyeliner for anyone, you can just try this one. Now I have seen a lot of expensive eyeliners. They do bleed and they bleed like hell. Okay, I absolutely hate it, but with this one it doesn't happen, and I'm so glad that I got it because I think this is the best eyeliner that's available in the market. under 600 rupees. I mean, this is a gem and you should definitely get your hands on this one. Okay, let me just do one thing. I'm just gonna go out anyway for groceries and let me just wear this makeup, go out, come back and see how the eyeliner stays on me, because this makeup looks okay, right? So let me just go out with this particular makeup on and let's see how the eyeliner performs. What say? And if you are wondering what lip color I'm wearing, oh my god, I'm obsessed with this one lately, and look at that. This looks so beautiful and this is something I'm wearing a lot. So let me just show you. So this is the Plush matte lipstick and look at the shade. It looks so pretty and I'm obsessed with this particular shade and it looks beautiful on the lips. I would highly recommend this particular shade. And if you are wondering what shade I'm wearing, I will definitely leave it in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Hey guys, I'm back. It's just been 3 hours. Grocery shopping में just 2 ही घंटे लगे थे. उसके बाद we came back home, we had our lunch and this is how my skin is looking. My lipstick is gone because I had my lunch. Okay, so the brows are doing great. There is a little bit of oil peeking through because I haven't applied any primer today and I have oily skin, but overall my skin is doing nice only. But the under eyes are looking a bit dry and ashy for some reason. Although I did a very light base, but still my under eyes are looking a bit dry. Maybe I have to moisturize my under eyes a little bit. But the eyeliner is doing really well. I mean, it didn't smudge or budge. It's been 3 hours. It's intact. So yeah, so far so good. I'm quite happy about it. And probably I'm going to give you one more check-in before I remove this makeup. Then I'm going to see how it performs and then I'm going to remove it. Hey guys, I'm back and I'm dog tired right now. So this is the last check-in and you guys can see it's 12:45 right now and I'm just gonna remove my makeup and hop to bed. I just wanted to give you a final check-in. You guys can see how the condition of my makeup is. My eye makeup started creasing and also my mascara started flaking right now, but the eyeliner is still intact. I hope you guys can see the mascara started flaking, but still the eyeliner is going strong and it's so impressive. By the way, I'm so tired, I cannot even talk. I'm just gonna quickly remove it, do my skincare and hop to bed. So yeah, this is my final check-in. So yeah guys, that's it, that's wrap. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, it's for free, but it will help me a lot. So please consider subscribing and join my fam. And all of the product details and links, everything is mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. I do have a coupon code with them which is flashing on the screen right now. Also, I will mention it in the description box. If you use that on their website, you will get some extra discount. So don't forget to check out the description box. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.